In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background images in FlutterFlow. To get started, open FlutterFlow and load the project where you want to add the background image. This can be an existing app screen you're already working on, or a simple test page if you just want to practice the technique first. The goal here is to create a full screen visual background that you can place other interface elements on top of. Once your project is open, go to the Layout Elements tab and drag a container widget into your scaffold or page area. Drop it directly into the main page so it becomes the base layer for your screen. A container works well for this because it gives you control over size, styling, and background options all in one place. After adding the container, move over to the Properties panel on the right side. Here, set both the width and the height to infinity by clicking the infinity icon for each value. This is important because it tells the container to expand and fill all available space on the screen. If you skip this, your background image may only appear in a small area instead of covering the full page. Next, scroll down through the Properties panel until you find the background image section and turn that option on. Enabling this section activates the image settings for the container and allows you to use it as a visual backdrop. Now choose the image source. You'll typically see options such as Asset or Network. If you select Asset, that means you're using an image that has been added directly to your project files. If you choose Network, the image will be loaded from a web URL. Pick the option that matches where your image is coming from. After that, set the box fit property to Cover. This is one of the most important settings for a polished result. Cover makes the image scale to fill the entire container while maintaining its proportions, which helps prevent stretching and reduces the chance of empty space showing around the edges. It's usually the best choice for full screen backgrounds. With the background image now in place, drag a column or a list view inside the container. This gives you a structure for placing your text, buttons, forms, or any other interface elements over the background image. Using a column is great for simple vertical layouts, while a list view is useful if your content may need to scroll. At this point, you've created a full screen background image setup in FlutterFlow and prepared the page for layered content on top.